Good morning, students. Today we will be learning about this tree factors to do the prime factorization. Okay. So now question number 2 is, question number 1 we have already done. Make 3 different factor tree of 30. Is the prime factorization of 30 different in each cases? Earlier we have done division method. Now we will be doing this tree method. Okay, this is a tree method. Okay, so to do the prime factorization, so firstly what we have to do is, like for 30 we have to find whether this number is divisible by which number. Okay, so firstly I have started with 2. Okay, in 2 table 30 comes at 15, so that's why 2, and 2 is a prime number, that's why I have circled it. Then afterwards 15 is not a prime number, this is a composite number, so obviously now we will break 15. So 15, for 15 it comes in the table of 3 at 5, and these both numbers are prime numbers, so we will circle it. Okay, now we do have other tables in which 30 comes, so we will use the other tables to draw the factor tree. Second way that I am making the factor tree is by taking 3. Okay, now in 3 table we are having 30 at 10. Okay, 3 is prime number, so circle it. All the prime numbers you have to circle it. Okay, composite number you will not circle. Then afterwards 10 comes in the table of 2 at 5. Okay, so the prime factorization of 30 here is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Again, if you can see that the prime factorization of 30 is again 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. 3 prime numbers, and we have to multiply. Then the third tree that I have made, as you can see here, in 5 table we do have 30, so 5 multiplied by 6. Okay, 5 multiplied by 6, 5 is prime number, so circle it. Then 6, 5 multiplied by 6 is 30, 6 is composite number, we have to break it. Okay, आपको तोड़ना है इसको. 6 कौन से टेबल में आता है? 2 के टेबल में आता है. आप चाहे 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 लिख लो या 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 लिख लो, दोनों ही सेम है. Okay, so now the again you have got the prime factorization as 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. All 3 are same. So no, he was asking whether the after doing the after using different tree method, whether the prime factorization is same or different. As you can see here, every time we are getting the same prime factorization, so it means that whatever way you are using to find the prime factorization, you will get the same prime factorization of the number. Okay, so now the prime factorization of 30 is same in each case. Again, same type of question is given for 48. You have to draw 3 trees for 48. Then you have to tell whether prime factorization of 48 different in each cases. Okay, you have to tell that. Now for 150 I have drawn the factor tree. Write the prime factorization for each number given below. Okay, you have to draw the factor tree. The method that we have used earlier, this method, this is division method. Okay, and this one is tree method. Okay, so now as you can see for 150, so I will start from the basic, from the smallest number, that is 2. Okay, you can take any number, it's your wish, it is not wrong, but I am starting from the basic number, that is 2, as it is divisible by 2, as it is having 0 at the last. So in the 2 table we are having 150 at 75. Okay, so now 75, now basic number that I can keep in mind is that 5. Okay, in 5 table we can use, we are having 75 at 15. Okay, these two are prime numbers, that's why I have circled. This is composite number, we have to break it. Okay, now in 5 table 5 multiplied 15 is 75. Now again we have to break the composite number, that is 15, circle 5. Okay, 15 come in the table of 3 at 5, these two are prime numbers, so then we have to circle. And now it is finished. When we have got all the prime numbers and there is no composite number, that means that the tree is finished. So 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 is the prime factorization of 150. Okay, as it is for 524, I am using the basic number, that is 2. Okay, you always have to start with a prime number. Okay, so 1 will always be prime number, then second one can be composite number, but it is not necessary, you can use the other numbers also. Okay, so now 2 multiplied by 524 comes in the table of 2 at 262. Okay, you can divide this number by 2. Then afterwards 262 comes in, again it is having last even number, so again it will be divisible by 2. Then 262 comes in the table of 2 at 131. As 131 is a prime number, so we will leave it here only. So the prime factorization of these 524 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 131. Now you will say how you will get to know that 131 is prime number. As you can see here, it will not be divisible by 2 because it is having 1 at the last. Now we can check for 3. 1 plus 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay, 4 doesn't come in the table of 3, so it means that it will not be divisible by 3. Okay, then 4 we need to be having this 2 numbers. 31 doesn't come in the table of 4, so it will not be divisible by 4 also. 5 we need 5 and 0 at the last, so obviously it is having 1, so it will not be divisible by that. 6 2, as it is not divisible by 2 and 3, so it will not be divisible by 6. Then afterwards we are having the 8, so 131 doesn't come in the table of 8, so it will not be divisible by this. 1 plus 3 plus 1 is 4, so 4 doesn't come in the table of 9, so obviously it will not be divisible by 9. Then afterwards 10 should be in last, it should be 0, it is having 1, so it will not be divisible by 10. We have to check till 10. If it is not divisible by till 1 to 10, it means that it will not be divisible by any other number, so this is prime number. Okay, so afterwards question number 8. So again use the division method that we have used earlier. Find the prime factors of the following number. Also write the prime factorization of each number. So we have done this type of question earlier. 180 will be divisible by 2. You have to use prime numbers and you have to start from basic number. Okay, so the smallest prime number you have to use. Then afterwards 180 will be divisible by 2 at 90. 90 comes in the table of 2 at 45. 45 come in the table of 3 at 15. Now I have written 5, you must have written, you can write 3 also here. 15 comes in the table of 5 at 3, and 3 will be divisible by 3 at 1. So the prime factorization of 180 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Like this you can do these 3 questions as we have done these questions earlier. So I hope that it is clear to you. Okay, bye bye students.